Hey guys, hello and welcome to my video library. This is Poonam from Paint and Clay Studio, and in today's video we are going to learn this cute little mini cactuses in a pot, for which I'm taking some round clay and making it into a round smooth ball. And now I'm going to take the ball tool and create a cavity here. Very smooth. You have to shape it nicely. And now I'm just going to shape it nicely and keep it aside. Now for making the green cactuses, I'll use some green clay. I'm using sap green and yellow here in the clay. Mix it well and knead it into a ball. Then make it like a cylindrical shape like that. Smooth down the edges like this. And now I'm going to use the knife tool and create 4 lines. 4 lines starting with a plus from the center. So extend these lines till the bottom. And now make another 4 lines in the center like this. Cute. Now I'm going to use some pink clay, roll it down, and using a little flower plunger, I'm going to cut the flowers, and using this tool I'm just going to stick this flower into like this using the glue. My cactuses are ready. Now I'm just going to drop in a little glue and fix all these 4 cactuses into the pot. You can make as many as you want. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and yes, please try your hands on making the clay. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.